It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have some additional interior lights and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right here, we have hitch guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, hill descent control, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, and dual cup holders. At the front of the Elevation Edition, there are black tow hooks, blacked out GMC emblem, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, heated side mirrors, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. At the rear, we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks, a spray-in box liner, and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-in, all-weather floor mats on the floor. This middle seat here opens up into double cup holders or an armrest. We have behind the seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease to reveal some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.